Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Belk Credit Card, activate and manage rewards step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your phone or computer. Go to the official Belk website by typing Belk.com in the address bar. Find the credit card section by scrolling to the bottom and selecting the credit card or cardholder link if you see it. If you are redirected to the card account site, confirm the page looks official and secure. Click the Sign In or Login button on the credit card account page. Enter your user ID in the first field exactly as you created it. Enter your password in the next field carefully and double-check for typos. If you are on a personal device, you can select Remember Me only if you trust the device. Click Login to access your account dashboard. If this is your first time, click Register or Create Account instead of logging in. Type your card number, your name, and the requested personal details to verify your identity. Create a strong user ID and password and save them somewhere secure. Complete any security questions or one-time verification code steps shown on the screen. After registration, return to the login screen and sign in with your new credentials. To activate a new Belk credit card, look for Activate Card on the account page or follow the activation prompt. Enter the required card details such as the card number and the security information requested. Confirm your identity with a text, email, or phone code if the site asks for verification. Submit the activation form and wait for the confirmation message that your card is active. From the dashboard, locate payments to make a one-time payment. Choose the bank account you want to pay from and enter the payment amount. Select a payment date and review the details before you confirm. Turn on autopay if you want automatic monthly payments, and choose the minimum, statement balance, or a custom amount. Go to Statements to view and download your monthly statements in PDF format. Open the Rewards or Points section to check your current rewards balance. Review recent transactions to see which purchases earned rewards and how many points you received. Look for redeem options to apply rewards to eligible purchases or offers when available. Update your profile details like email, phone number, and mailing address to keep your account secure and current. Log out when you finish, especially if you are using a shared or public computer. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.